Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me Hema again with an unboxing video. If you're new here, take a moment to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell icon so that you will not miss out any of my videos. And if you are a returning subscriber, thanks a lot for your love and support guys. And today this is gonna be a Nykaa haul. First, I just want to show you the invoice up close. So totally I ordered 15 products, but they sent me 12 products and two other products is on the way. So, and this time the shipping is really quick and I got all the products inside this gigantic box guys. Yes, so I'm gonna just show you what all I have. I already opened everything and I used a little bit of the products here, so I have some idea whether it's a good buy or not a good buy. So first comes into my hand is the Aroma Magic, the Blossom Culture Aroma Magic Nourishing Hand Cream. I bought this and this is with me for 2 days and I never used it on my hand. So it's so crazy, but I'm going to use it regularly because even though I'm an oily skin person, like my hands are really dry. So I wanted to nourish that. And this is the one brand which gives the hand cream at the affordable price range. I think this is for 200 rupees, or no, this is just for 175. This is the actual packaging, the box. Look at the packaging guys, you can pay for the packaging, and it has a slight a pink tone to it, and it does nourishes good, so you can see, and it has a wonderful smell to it. So this is my first product, and the second one is also from Aroma Magic, and I was looking for a good sunscreen for a long time and this one attracted me, and most of the reviews said that this is a wonderful cream for the oily skin person. So I just thought, like, let me give it a try and let me smell this. And yes, it does. Oh, it is so thick. See here, it's so thick and it has a strong flavor, but I couldn't guess what is that, but it's a strong smell, like a herbal smell. I don't know how, from where that herbal feel is coming to me, but it is 180 rupees and it is a 50 ml tub, and we all know that it's SPF 30 PA++, and it says it is good for UVA and UVB too. And up close again for you guys, and we all know that Aroma Magic is a wonderful company and they are free from parabens and harsh chemicals as such. So I'm gonna give it a shot. I'm not actually a sunscreen person and I never knew the importance of sunscreen, but lately I started to use some, and I am not yet found a best one for my skin, like the oily skin family. So this is the L'Oreal Paris 30 plus normal day cream. I'm still in 20s, but anyhow I wanted to try 30 plus since skin creams. I am not sure, like this is a random purchase and it is an 18-gram product, and the price, where is the price mentioned? It is 149, and this is just a random pick. And let me, oh, it does have the normal day cream smell guys, nothing special, and I didn't go through the ingredients list. I'll just a random pick just to try 30 plus. It says like it's gonna give it gonna avoid the fine lines and all. Like I do have little wrinkles here near the eyes, so I just thought I will give it a try. So this goes there, and what is the next product I have? So this is a wonderful purchase and I was eyeing on this. Oh my god, you can see everything which I kept on my room. So this is so classy and glassy. And this is 95 Lakme 95 primer plus matte powder foundation, and everybody on the YouTube is raving about this, and this is in this shade Honeydew, and that is the darkest shade, and it is for 550 rupees, but the initial cost was 600 and now it is 550. I'm not sure whether it is a sale or like Lakme reduced the price. So this is how it looks like you can feel it a little bit lighter on the camera, but it does matches my skin tone. I'm going to give it a little swatch here. You see here? It does matches my skin tone. So it's a perfect buy. And I already tried it. It works amazingly. And what I did is I just paired that with the Nykaa stick. That's the next product. So I bought Nykaa foundation stick. This is the outer packaging looks like, and this in the shade 07 Toffee Chisel, and this is the perfect shade for me. And again, some YouTubers said this is not good for oily skin. Anyhow, it works for me, and it may work for other oily skin beauties out there. So give it a shot, and it is for 550, something like that. Yeah, something around 550, and it is a 9-gram product, and it works amazingly with this Lakeme foundation powder, like the compact powder. This Nykaa stick works well with that, so you can give it a shot. And the next one is the Coloressence. Again, another stick, foundation stick. I wanted to try multiple colors, multiple brands. I've never used foundation sticks. I always used the liquids. So this is for 185, and the net weight is 12.5 gram. And this is the shade. Again, it might look lighter on my camera, but it is a little bit darker, but not as dark as Nykaa. And anyhow, I'm gonna work with that. Toffee Chisel is completely dark, and it's an exact match to my skin. I can mix both of these, and I already mixed them and I used it. This is what I'm wearing today. This is the foundation I'm wearing today, and I turned off the fan, and even the AC is not on now, so I'm just shooting it because I did felt there was some noise from AC too, so I just turned off the AC. But still, you can see I don't have much sweat on me, and this is really good. The next 3 products is gonna be from Wet n Wild. Yes guys, this is from Wet n Wild, Ombre blush, and this is not a good buy guys. I chose a wrong color. This is not even working as a highlighter for me. It's really hard, but the packaging wise, I will give a thumbs up for the Wet n Wild products. You can see this looks like a pinkish blush, but it is not pink. And this upper part, yes, I can use it for highlighting purpose, but anyhow, I'm gonna give it to my sister or something like that, because this is so light for my skin. I was using Blue Heaven and another Blue Heaven, and what is the other one, and another blush which is actually pinky blush, like the pinky one, but I don't like them. I wanted to try something new. Then I was eyeing on this Wet n Wild product. This is for $2.99. Anyway, I'm happy it is just $2.99. I didn't spend much in the blush. And this one, I don't think so this need an introduction. It is the Precious Petals Wet n Wild highlighter. Everybody know about this. This is for $4.99, and it is a wonderful highlighter. So you want to see that? I think you guys can see that in here too. So it's so natural. It gives a so natural look for you. So it is a wonderful one. And then the next is the concealer, and again from Wet n Wild, and this is for just $3.99, and it's in the shade Tawny. Tawny, medium Tawny. So that's the shade. That was so funny name. Okay, medium Tawny, and it has the proper color I want. You see that? It might look a little lighter, but it is really good for my dark circles and the dark pigmentation I have all over my face, especially under my eyes, under my nose, and the upper lip area and all. It covers a lot. So next one is the Call Cosmetics, like Call Los Angeles, CAL Los Angeles, however you guys pronounce it. So this is the next purchase, and this is the beauty blenders in this shape, and this is the one I used. You can see a little bit of foundation here and there. I used it, and I would not say it's gonna be 10 out of 10, but it is a very good, decent beauty blender at a price range of $3.99. I paid for 2, so that is a wonderful buy, like a good deal, I would say. And the next product is Vedic line. You guys would have been seen that's Vedic line facial kit which we received from Glamigo, if I'm not wrong. And then I went to Nykaa to know about Vedic line more, and they have a lot of products, guys, and at an affordable price range, and they are like vegan and they are made in India. So I wanted to try and support Indian products, and at the same time like we get benefited, and again like it's vegan, so I'm so interested. Vedic line charcoal disinfecting face wash with tea oil. So I was going through all the products and this one attracted me a lot. I didn't use it yet. I will put the review on my Insta page. If you're not if you're not following me on Insta, please do follow me on Insta so that you will not miss out these mini reviews and all. And at last, oh guys, I don't have that with me now, but I did bought the Garnier Micellar water with the oil infused one, and I tried to remove my makeup yesterday and it is in my cupboard now. So I'm not going to show that up on the screen, but that is a wonderful purchase. That is the best purchase I have ever made, and it simplified the effort of taking the makeup out from my skin. So that is so good. If you guys are still thinking about whether you should buy it or not, just close your eyes and go for it. That is a wonderful makeup remover at that price point. And I'm not sure about the normal variant. Go for the oil infused one so that it is good for like waterproof makeups. So this is all I have today, and I think I covered everything. Totally 13 products should be there except the micellar water. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, give it a big thumbs up and share this video and leave your comments in the comment section below. I would like to hear from you guys, and love you. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.